Hey everyone, Mark Thomas here. I want to invite you to a great webinar we have coming up in February with APMG International and ISACA on COBIT 2019, but this is going to be a little bit different. We're going to talk about use cases and how you can look at certain questions or scenarios that you might have to help you build a tailored governance system in your organization based on COBIT 2019. Now, frameworks, they exist to help us in creating repeatable processes that can really help us in value creation, but sometimes it's difficult to thumb through a framework and completely understand how to use it. So in this webinar, we're going to explore ISACA's updated COBIT 2019 framework and walk through examples on how to leverage its value. Our learning objectives for this webinar: understand first the key elements of the new COBIT 2019 framework and explore how to adopt a tailored enterprise governance framework. And then I'll give you a couple of typical use cases, some questions, comments, and concerns that a lot of folks have when they're looking at adopting the principles and the practices and the activities of a new framework. So let's look at some of those questions we'll tackle. I'm launching a new IT governance group in our company. Where does COBIT say I should start, right? This is kind of a normal question you get a lot in, say, COBIT classes or consulting type of areas. With the increase in security compromises we are seeing in this industry, how does COBIT help me? My company uses multiple standards, frameworks, and bodies of knowledge. Is there anything COBIT can do to help me with these? And of course, hey, we use previous versions of COBIT. How do we move to COBIT 2019? So these are a few questions we'll answer, and many more other areas in the form of use cases that you'll be able to learn from and take to work tomorrow. Folks, I look forward to seeing you at our webinar coming up in February. You can sign up for this webinar on apmg-international.com. Look forward to seeing you there soon.